Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you how to combine technical analysis with the fundamental analysis. So most of traders are using technical analysis to get the trades, but I would like to tell you should combine technical analysis with the economic data or fundamental with the accurate trading. So in this video I like to get the example with the XAU USD gold chart, how to combine technical and fundamental trading. I would like to share with you, this is daily chart in gold, the most popular pair in the world with the traders. So daily gold chart, you can see I have already draw the trend line, white color line trend line. So this trend line is already touched 3 times. So this is below first one and middle second and one, and third one is their price is 1943. So technically you have buy opportunity in gold in this area because of key trend line level is the price. So technically is the you have one reason to buy gold in this area because of price is in a strong trend line with the daily chart. That's the one reason technically. And second reason is the left side resistance. You can see the left side price resistance in this area, and it would be supported in right side. So resistance becomes support is the second reason for buy gold in technically. So technically 2 reasons it has, and I would like to give you another reason to buy gold in technically is a Fibonacci. This movement we can draw the Fibonacci levels, and Fibonacci is a 0.18 golden level is in price within 0.5 level. So in the Fibonacci retracement there's a good level for buy gold. So I have mentioned 3 reasons to buy gold in this area with the technical analysis. First one is trend line, price is in strong trend line, and second one is the left side resistance become support here. Simple technical theory. And the third reason is the Fibonacci retracement 0.5 level is in price. So this is as it has 3 strong technical analysis reasons to buy gold in this area, but you can't buy in this level with the you haven't economic data fundamental reasons to buy here. So you should update fundamentals economic data in this area by gold. So you can see the below touch area price is in this area in November month last year. It has gold buy in this area because of interest rates peak in here, interest rates is slow down in here, and gold get the demand in this area. That's the economic data. And this second touch area in this area is March month in this year, and it has gold demand because of the Silicon Valley Bank has crashed USA, and US dollar get the negative effect, and market fear was continuing in this area and in this time, and gold get the demand in this area. That's the economic reasons to buy it in here. So third level is in here, price is in here. This it has a economic data you should follow to buy gold in here or sell gold in here. So break the trend line and buy the gold. So this third moment in this current situation, price is 1942. So this has the main economic data is the federal funds rates. So 5.25 is the current federal rate, Fed interest rate. It is in June 14. So Fed has going to the Fed would be going to force the interest rates in 5.25, that is demand goal. So you should follow this economic data, so buy this in area goals. That's the most valuable economic event, June 14th Fed's interest rates. With this interest rate, that's you can decide to buy in this area gold or sell this area. So Fed will be 25 basis points interest rates hikes. Fed going to the hike interest rates in 25 bps. That's the goal, not demands, and dollar get the demand. So that's the economic data you should follow to buy gold or sell gold here. So that's the June 14th Fed's funds interest rates is the more volatile, more valuable economic data. So that is the how to combine with technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So accurate gold signals in my Telegram group, you can join in the link below. So you can't trade with only technical if you combine with the fundamentals economic data. So that is how we combine technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So that is the options to buy or sell. You get to trade, you should have followed technical with the economic data fundamentals. So thank you very much.